Hi friends, welcome to Rasoi Eliza's kitchen. Today I am preparing curd tomato curry or Thakkali Moru Curry, you can see, and it is a very quick recipe. Okay friends, so here I have kept a mud pot and now I'll switch on the gas. Okay, so in this I am not adding any oil just now. Okay, so here now I will be adding some crushed garlic. You can see garlic, crushed garlic I am adding. Some crushed green chilies and some crushed ginger. Okay, with very minimal items I am making this, so do try this recipe friends. And then 2 medium-sized tomatoes that also I've added, and then salt, little bit salt, not too much, just little bit of salt just now, and then little bit of turmeric. Okay, let it cook in medium to low flame. I'll give a mix once. So I will cover this pot. Okay, so let it cook in this medium flame only, and then after tomatoes are soft, I'll show you. Okay friends, as tomato was cooking in a medium flame, let's see how is it now. See, it is cooked nicely. We can mash it like this. See, curd. Okay, this is a curd. I have just made in a mixer. I have added with little water and just mixed it. So we are not boiling it, we are just heating the curd or buttermilk. So it should be something like this, and we are just heating it. We are not boiling it. I'm telling again and again. Okay friend, I have kept a pot for tempering. Now I'll switch on the gas and then I'll add coconut oil. So I've added coconut oil to this. Let the oil heat nicely. Fenugreek seed. And then some mustard seeds. Can you see? Let it crackle. The mustard seeds are crackling. Shallot, very little, not too much. Okay, let this also fry nicely. It should be brown in color. And with this only I will be adding dry red chili and some curry leaves. And now I will be switching off the gas, and then I will be adding little bit of red chili powder. Okay, little bit of red chili powder also I am adding. And now we will add this tempering directly. Okay friends, so I am adding that tempering to the curry. Okay, and we will mix it like this. And our tomato curd curry is ready, or Thakkali Moru Curry is ready. Please do try it, friends, once, and then comment and tell me how it came out. Did your family like or not? And friends, share my channel, subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I am uploading my next video.